Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will be sharing with you that how we can actually make our PayPal account. As on TikTok and Instagram there are so many people who were requesting me like how we can actually use PayPal to sending and receiving money, right? So today I'll be sharing that with you. Okay, so firstly what you have to do is you have to Google for PayPal, right? So once you click here and you go for PayPal, so you see here, this is the first link right here, PayPal, and you click here on sign up, right? So once you click on sign up, you have two things, right? So once you click here on sign up, you can see here I already have a page. So one is for business, right? So this is for business, right? A faster and safer way to accept credit card, PayPal payments online via invoice and in person, right? This is for your business, right? And for personal use, you can send money to your friends, receive payment, and this is for your personal use, right? So if you have your business, you can manage your payment through business account, but today I will be discussing about personal account, as there are a lot of students who have been asking this. So let's click here. So once you click here, right, so they ask for your number. Let it load. Okay, so we have to clear this. Yep. So as you can see, once you click on there, you will have to enter your email, right? So I already have account with this, so I will just do with the random email like which I have, and I'll show you what to do next. And your name, middle name, and your last name, right? So you have to choose whatever is on your passport. So yes, you can choose any password for this one. Make sure you remember the password later on. Okay, so once you have filled this one, click on next. Right, so once you click next here, you can see you have to fill in these all details, right? So I will fill in. Okay, I will just pull. Okay, so once you have entered this, just like tick those two things, the information, right? And yes, so now you already have this page, right? So what you have to do is and shop with PayPal and try it now, right? So you can, not sure what to do, link a card and use later, right? Simply you can do that. So once you click here, yep, so they're asking for card, right? So this you have to link in your card here, right? And like in other case, if you're shopping something from PayPal, you can use that. And if you want to receive your money, right, you can receive in your bank from the PayPal, right? So once you enter this, or what you can do is you can also add your bank instead of card, right? So it is totally up to you, right? So yeah, as I'm in Australia, so it's showing the Australian things, right? So yeah, you can do that. So we will try logging in now. And I'll show you how we can receive money from here and send money, right? That's really easy to set up PayPal, and you don't worry. Once you receive the money once, like first time, that money will be on hold for 21 days, and they will then again it will be like in your account. soon. So yes, as you can see, once you log in, you have this dashboard, right? After you having this dashboard, so what if you have to send money, you have to send, click on send and ask for the person who is sending money. Like if your friend, you want to send money to your friend, ask their PayPal account, ask them their email of PayPal account so that they can receive in their, yeah. So here you can see, so my account already is on PayPal, right? So sorry. Okay, so look, I have just entered my email and you can see it is coming up, like it's showing up. So yes, like this, so people can receive money from here. And if you want to request money, you can actually add their email and then turn on next. And it's really, really easy to use this PayPal. I personally use this and I like this one because there are so many things where we cannot use our card. It's only PayPal. So yeah, it is a really, really quick way to receive money and send money, right? So yes, I hope this video is gonna be helpful and you can start using PayPal straight away. And yeah, I hope this is gonna be helpful, and like and share for more videos. In next videos, I'll be sharing with you how we can make money with PayPal by referring PayPal, right? So stay tuned to my next video, and thank you so much for watching the video, and thank you so much for coming to my channel. And if you have not subscribed my channel, just subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.